Welcome to this tutorial on reshaping arrays with the reshape function in NumPy. In this video, you'll learn how to change array dimensions while preserving your data. This is one of the most fundamental operations when working with multi-dimensional arrays in NumPy. The reshape function transforms an array into a new shape without changing its underlying data. It returns a new view of the array, which means it's memory efficient. There are two important rules to remember. First, the total number of elements must remain constant during the reshape operation. Second, the data order is preserved, meaning elements maintain their original sequence in the flattened version of the array. The basic syntax for reshape is straightforward. You call the reshape method on your array, followed by the new shape parameter. The new shape can be either a single integer for one-dimensional arrays or a tuple of integers specifying multiple dimensions. For example, you might reshape a one-dimensional array into a two-dimensional matrix, or transform a two-dimensional array into a three-dimensional structure. Let's look at a practical example. We start by importing NumPy as NP. Then we create a one-dimensional array containing 6 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next, we call the reshape method with the shape tuple of 2, 3. This transforms our one-dimensional array into a two-dimensional array with 2 rows and 3 columns. The output shows the first row contains 1, 2, 3, and the second row contains 4, 5, 6. You can also reshape arrays into 3 dimensions. Here we create an array with 24 elements using the arrange function. Then we reshape it with the dimensions 2, 3, 4. The resulting shape is 2, 3, 4, which creates 2 matrices, where each matrix has 3 rows and 4 columns. This is particularly useful when working with batches of data or when dealing with image processing tasks. NumPy offers a convenient shortcut when reshaping. You can use -1 in one dimension, and NumPy will automatically calculate that dimension for you. In this example, we have an array with 12 elements and reshape it to 3 rows with -1 for the columns. NumPy automatically calculates that we need 4 columns to accommodate all 12 elements. This is helpful when you know one dimension but want NumPy to figure out the other. Here's a common mistake to avoid. The total number of elements in your original array must match the total number of elements in the new shape exactly. In this example, we have an array with 10 elements and try to reshape it to 3 rows and 4 columns. This requires 12 elements total, but we only have 10. This will raise a value error telling us that we cannot reshape an array of size 10 into the shape 3, 4 because it needs 12 elements. Let's review the key points. First, reshape changes array dimensions without modifying the underlying data. Second, the total number of elements must remain constant between the original and reshaped array. Third, you can use -1 to let NumPy calculate one dimension automatically. And finally, reshape returns a view when possible, making it memory efficient. With these concepts, you're ready to reshape arrays confidently in your NumPy projects.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.